At ang guarantee ng Scripture, katulad na sinabi sa Ephesians 3 verse 20, God is able to do immeasurably above and beyond what you could think or imagine. Anong gusto ko sabihin? Anong gusto mo sabihin, Pastor? Ang gusto ko lang sabihin ganito, huwag kang mag-settle sa natural solution lang. Lagi mong pagkatiwalaan yung supernatural solution ng Diyos because God can exceed our expectation. God can exceed our imagination. Ang sabi ng NIV, immeasurably more. Ang sabi ng NLT, infinitely more. Ang sabi ng HSBC translation, above and beyond what you could think or imagine. Maraming humahawak sa ating Panginoong Yesus, pero this woman was so desperate na ang sabi ng Scripture, technically speaking, it was implied in the Scripture that she was crawling her way to her healing. Willing siyang gumapang para lang maramdaman at ma-receive ang blessing ng Panginoon. Ano sinasabi ng babaeng ito? I've been suffering for 12 years and I know suffering is not God's will for my life. At kung ibig sabihin nito, kailangan akong gumapang. That's the least that I can do. I'm willing to do it because I'm excited to experience